नमो नमः। सर्वेषां विद्यार्थीनां पुनरेकवारं हार्दं स्वागतम्. Students, in today's class we are going to continue with the chapter Vichitrah Sakshi, the strange witness. But before we proceed, let's have a quick recap of the part learnt by us so far. Students, to revise the part learnt by us, we are going to solve a question. घटनाक्रमानुसारेण वाक्यानि पुनर्लिखत. Some sentences will be displayed on the screen and you are supposed to arrange them as per the chronological order. So get ready to solve the question.
Here are the sentences. Students, you can pause the video and can think about the answer. I assume that you are ready with your answer. So let's check it. The correct order of the sentences is Kaschana nirdhanah janah kinchid vittam uparjitavan. A certain poor man earned a little money. तस्य तनयः छात्रावासे अध्ययने संलग्नः समभूत्. While residing in a student hostel, his son got engrossed in his studies. सः रुग्णं पुत्रं द्रष्टुं पदातिरेव प्राचलत्. He started walking on foot to see his son who was sick. करुणापरो गृही तस्मै आश्रयं प्रायच्छत्. The kind householder gave him shelter. रात्रौ एकः चौरः गृहाभ्यन्तरं प्रविष्टः. At night, a thief entered the house. चौरः एव क्रोशितुम् आरभत. चौरोयम् iti. The thief himself started shouting, "This man is a thief." यद्यपि ग्रामस्य आरक्षी एव चौरः आसीत्. Though the security guard of the village was a thief. रक्षापुरुषः तं अतिथिं चौरोयम् इति प्रख्याप्य कारागृहे प्राक्षिपत्. The guard declared that the guest was the thief and put him behind the bars. I hope your answer is correct.
Now we are going to continue with the chapter. So let's see the Agrimah Gadyamshah.
Here is the Gadyamshah. I'll read it out. अग्रिमे दिने स आरक्षी चौर्याभियोगे तं न्यायालयं नीतवान्. न्यायाधीशो बंकिमचन्द्रः उभाभ्यां पृथक् पृथक् विवरणं श्रुतवान्. सर्वं वृत्तम् अवगत्य स तं निर्दोषम् अमन्यत, आरक्षिणं च दोषभाजनम्. किन्तु प्रमाणाभावात् स निर्णेतुं न शक्नोत्. ततोऽसौ तौ अग्रिमे दिने उपस्थातुम् आदिष्टवान्. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. स आरक्षी चौर्याभियोगे न्यायाधीशो बंकिमचन्द्रः वृत्तमवगत्य स तं प्रमाणाभावात् स निर्णेतुं न शक्नोत् and ततोऽसौ. Let's see the dissolution of these words. स आरक्षी The dissolution is Sah plus Arakshi. Chauryabhiyoge is the example of samasah which has internal sandhi, and the dissolution is Chaurya plus Abhiyoge. Nyayadhisho Bankim Chandraha, the dissolution is Nyayadhishah plus Bankim Chandraha. Vrittamavagatya is the example of Sanyogah, and the dissolution is Vrittam plus Avagatya. Satam, the Sandhi Vichchedah is Sah plus Tam. Pramana Bhavat is also the example of Samasah, and it has internal Sandhi. The dissolution of the word is Pramana plus Abhavat. Sa Nirnetum, the dissolution is Sah plus Nirnetum. Na Shaknot, the Sandhi Vichchedah is Na plus Ashaknot. And Tatosau, the dissolution is Tatah plus Asau. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Agrime dine means the next day. Saha Arakshi, the guard or the policeman. Chauryabhiyoge, on an allegation of stealing. Tam Nyayalayan Meetavan, took him to the court. The next day, the policeman took him to the court on an allegation of stealing. Nyayadhisho Bankim Chandraha Ubhabhyam Pruthak Pruthak Vivaranam Shrutavan. Nyayadhishah Bankim Chandraha, the magistrate Bankim Chandra, Shrutavan, heard, Vivaranam, the account of the night, Pruthak Pruthak, separately, Ubhabhyam, from both of them. The magistrate Bankim Chandra heard the account separately from both of them. Sarvam Vrittam Avagatya Satam Nirdosham Amanyata. Sarvam Vrittam, the entire account. Avagatya means knowing or having learnt about. Sahatam Nirdosham Amanyata. He considered him, that is, the poor man, to be Nirdosham, innocent. Arakshinancha Dosha Bhajanam. And he considered Arakshinam, the policeman, to be Dosha Bhajanam, a culprit. The meaning of the sentence is, having learned about the entire account, he considered him, that is the poor man, to be innocent and the policeman to be a culprit. Kintu pramana bhavat sanirnetum na shaknot. Kintu, but, pramana bhavat, due to absence of an evidence, saha nirnetum na ashaknot, he couldn't deliver his judgment. It means he couldn't make the decision. But due to absence of an evidence, he couldn't deliver his judgment. Tatosau tau agrime dine upasthatum adishtavan. Tatah, so, asau, he. Agrime dine, the next day. Upasthatum, to remain present. Adishtavan, ordered or instructed or asked. So he asked them to remain present there next day. It means he asked them to come there next day. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Agrime is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Dine. The word Sarvam is the Visheshanam of the word Vrittam. Nirdosham is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam tam, which is used to refer to the poor man. The word Doshabhajanam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Arakshinam.
छात्राः एषः प्रदत्तः गद्यांशः युष्माभिः सर्वैः सम्यक्तया अवगतः इति अहं मन्ये। तर्हि अधुना अग्रिमं गद्यांशं पश्यामः।
Here is the Agrimah Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. अन्येद्युः तौ न्यायालये स्वस्वपक्षं पुनः स्थापितवन्तौ। तदैव कश्चिद् तत्रत्यः कर्मचारी समागत्य न्यवेदयत् यत् इतः क्रोशद्वयान्तराले कश्चित् जनः केनापि हतः। तस्य मृतशरीरं राजमार्गन्निकषा वर्तते। आदिश्यतां किं करणीयमिति? न्यायाधीशः आरक्षिणम् अभियुक्तं च तं शवं न्यायालये आनेतुमादिष्टवान्. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are tadaiva, kaschit, क्रोशद्वयान्तराले, कश्चित् जनः, केनापि, करणीयमिति, and आनेतुमादिष्टवान्. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Tadaiva, the dissolution is tada plus eva. Kaschit, the dissolution is kah plus chit. Kroshadvayantarale is the example of samasah and it has internal sandhihi. The dissolution is Kroshadvaya plus antarale. Kaschit janaha, the sandhi vichhedah is Kaschit plus janaha. Kenapi, the dissolution is Kena plus api. Karaniyamiti is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is Karaniyam plus iti. Anetumadishtavan is also the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is Anetum plus adishtavan. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Anyedyuhu, the next day. Tau, both of them. Nyayalaye, in the court. Swaswapaksham punah sthapitavantau. Punah, again. Sthapitavantau means established or presented. Swaswapaksham, their arguments. The next day, both of them again presented their arguments in the court. Tadaiva kaschid tatratyah karmachari samagatya nyavedayat. Tadaiva, at that time. Kaschid tatratyah karmachari. Tatratyah, the one who was working there in the court. Karmachari, an employee. An employee working there. Samagatya, arriving. Nyavedayat, informed. Yat, that. Itah Kroshadvayantarale. Itah, from here, from the court. Kroshadvayantarale, at the distance of around 2 miles. Kaschit janaha, a certain man. Kenapi hataha, has been killed by someone. At that time, an employee working there in the court arrived and informed that a man has been killed by someone around 2 miles away from the court. Tasya mrutashariram rajamargam nikasha vartate. Mrutashariram, the dead body. Rajamargam, highway. Nikasha, near. His dead body is lying near the highway. Adishyatam, king karniyamiti. Adishyatam, please order. King karniyamati, what is to be done? So please order what is to be done in this matter. न्यायाधीशः आरक्षणम् अभियुक्तं च तं शवं न्यायालये आनेतुम् आदिष्टवान्. न्यायाधीशः the magistrate, आरक्षणं the policeman, अभियुक्तं the accused man, तं शवं that dead body, न्यायालये to the court, आनेतुम् आदिष्टवान्, आनेतुम् to bring, आदिष्टवान् ordered or asked. The magistrate asked the policeman and the accused man to bring the dead body to the court. I hope you have understood the translation.
Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. In this Gadyamshaha, there is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. The word Tatratyaha is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Karmachari. Chhatraha प्रदत्तस्य गद्यांशस्य अस्माभिः अध्ययनं कृतम्. अधुना अग्रिमं गद्यांशं पठामः.
Here is the next Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. आदेशं प्राप्य उभौ प्राचलताम्. तत्रोपेत्य काष्ठपटले निहितं पटाच्छादितं देहं स्कन्धेन वहन्तौ न्यायाधिकरणं प्रति प्रस्थितौ. आरक्षी सुपुष्टदेह आसीत्. अभियुक्तश्च अतीव कृशकायः. भारवतः शवस्य स्कन्धेन वहनं तत्कृते दुष्करम् आसीत्. स भारवेदनया क्रन्दति स्म. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are तत्रोपेत्य, पटाच्छादितं, सुपुष्टदेह आसीत्, अभियुक्तश्च, and स भारवेदनया. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Tatropetya, the dissolution is tatra plus upetya. Patachhaditam is the example of samasaha and it has internal sandhihi. The dissolution is pata plus achhaditam. Supushtadeha asit, the sandhi vichchedah is supushtadeha plus asit. Abhiyuktascha, the sandhi vichchedah is abhiyuktah plus cha. And sa bharavedanaya, the dissolution is saha plus bharavedanaya. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Adesham prapya ubhau prachalatam. Adesham prapya, after receiving the order from the magistrate. Ubhau, they both. Prachalatam, set off. They both set off after receiving the order from the magistrate. Tatropetya काष्ठपटले निहितं पटाच्छादितं देहं स्कन्धेन वहन्तौ न्यायाधिकरणं प्रति प्रस्थितौ. तत्रोपेत्य, after reaching there. काष्ठपटले निहितं. Nihitam means placed. Kaष्ठपटले means on a wooden plank. Patachhaditam, covered by a cloth. Deham, the body. Skandhena vahantau, vahantau carrying. Skandhena, on their shoulders. Nyayadhikaranam prati prasthitau, they started going back to the magistrate. They reached there and started going back to the magistrate carrying the body which was placed on a wooden plank and was covered by a cloth on their shoulders. It means they reached the place, picked up the dead body placed on a wooden plank and covered by a cloth and started carrying it on their shoulders to the court. Arakshi supushtadeha asid. Supushtadeha means healthy. The policeman was healthy. Abhiyuktascha अतीव कृशकायः. अभियुक्तः, the accused person. अतीव कृशकायः was very lean. आरक्षी सुपुष्टदेहः आसीत्. The policeman was healthy and the accused person was very lean. भारवतः शवस्य स्कन्धेन वहनं तत्कृते दुष्करम् आसीत्. भारवतः शवस्य of the heavy dead body. स्कन्धेन वहनं, carrying it on shoulders. तत्कृते दुष्करम् आसीत् was quite difficult for him. Carrying the heavy dead body on the shoulders was quite difficult for him. सः भारवेदनया क्रन्दति स्म. क्रन्दति स्म, he was crying. भारवेदनया, by the pain of the load, due to the pain of the load. He was crying due to the pain of the load. It means he started complaining due to the pain caused by the load. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshapadani from the given Gadyamshaha. The words Nihitam and Patachhaditam are the Visheshane of the Vishesham Deham. The word Vahantau, which is an example of Shatru Pratyay form, is the Visheshanam of the word Ubhau. Supushtadehah is the Visheshanam of the word Arakshi. Krushakayah is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Abhiyuktah. Bharavatah is the Visheshanam of the word Shavasya, and Dushkaram is the Visheshanam of the word Vahanam. I hope you have understood it.
यथा अस्माभिः तृतीयस्य गद्यांशस्य अध्ययनम् अवधानपूर्वकं कृतं तथैव अग्रिमस्य गद्यांशस्य अपि अध्ययनं करणीयम्. तर्हि अग्रिमगद्यांशस्य अध्ययनार्थं सर्वे सज्जाः भवत.
अत्रास्ति अग्रिमः गद्यांशः. अहं गद्यांशं पठामि. तस्य क्रन्दनं निशम्य मुदित आरक्षी तमुवाच, रे दुष्ट, तस्मिन् दिने त्वयाहं चोरिताया मञ्जुषाया ग्रहणाद् वारितः. इदानीं निजकृत्यस्य फलं भुङ्क्ष्व. अस्मिन् चौर्याभियोगे त्वं वर्षत्रयस्य कारादण्डं लप्स्यसे इति प्रोच्य उच्चैः अहसत्. यथा कथञ्चित् उभौ शवमानीय एकस्मिन् चत्वरे स्थापितवन्तौ. Let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Mudita arakshi tamuvacha tvayaham चोरिताया मंजुषाया ग्रहणाद् वारितः. चौर्याभियोगे यथा कथंचित् उभौ and शवमानीय. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Mudita arakshi, the dissolution is muditah plus arakshi. Tam uvacha, the dissolution is tam plus uvacha. It is the example of sanyogah. Tvayaham, the sandhi vichchedah is tvaya plus aham. चोरिताया मंजुषाया ग्रहणाद् वारितः. The dissolution is चोरितायाः plus मंजुषायाः plus ग्रहणात् plus वारितः. चौर्याभियोगे is the example of samasah and it has internal sandhi. The dissolution is chaurya plus abhiyoge. यथा कथंचित् उभौ, the dissolution is यथा कथंचित् plus उभौ. Shavamaniya is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is shavam plus aniya. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the gadyamshah. तस्य क्रन्दनं निशम्य मुदित आरक्षी तम् उवाच. तस्य क्रन्दनं, his cry. Nishamya, having heard. Muditaha arakshi, the policeman who was happy or pleased. Tam uvacha, said to him. Having heard his cry, the policeman who was happy said to him, Re dushta, O you wicked one, tasmin dine, that day, त्वया अहम चोरिताया मंजूषाया ग्रहणात् वारितः. त्वया अहम वारितः. वारितः means prevented. You prevented me. ग्रहणात्, from taking away. चोरितायाः मंजूषायाः, the stolen box. O you wicked one, that day you prevented me from taking away the stolen box. It means you prevented me from stealing the box. Idanim nijokrutyasya phalam bhungshva. Idanim, now. Bhungshva, suffer. Nijokrutyasya phalam, the consequences of your own action. Now suffer the consequences of your own action. अस्मिन् चौर्याभियोगे त्वं वर्षत्रयस्य कारादण्डं लप्स्यसे. अस्मिन् चौर्याभियोगे means on this allegation. On this allegation of stealing. Varshatrayasya karadandam lapsyase. You will get imprisonment for 3 years. On this allegation of stealing, you will get imprisonment for 3 years. Iti prochya, saying so, uchchaihi ahasat. He laughed loudly. यथा कथंचिद उभौ शवमानीय एकस्मिन् चत्वरे स्थापितवन्तौ. यथा कथंचित means somehow. Ubhau, both of them. Shavam आनीय, having brought the corpse. Ekasmin chatvare, at a square. Sthapitavantau, placed. They placed it. Somehow they brought the corpse and placed it at a square or at a junction of buildings. I hope the translation has been made clear to you all. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word muditaha is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham arakshi. The word choritayaha is the Visheshanam of the word manjushayaha, and the word ekasmin is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham chatvare. I hope you have understood it.
Students, I would like to end the explanation here. We will meet again with the next part of the lesson. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.